Hello everyone, welcome to Vision for Education. Today we are going to discuss about Fundamentals of Computers Part 4. Before watching this video, please watch Fundamentals of Computers Part 1, 2, 3. The link is provided in the description box. Now coming to our topic, we are going to discuss about classification of computer based on the working principle. Actually, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device which accepts the input and processes them according to the desired output. There are various types of computers available in the market. We can classify the computer as a special purpose computer or a general purpose computer. Special purpose computers are applicable on the particular application areas and have limited area for the application like temperature recording, speed measurement, telephone billing, etc. General purpose computers are standard computers used for the general applications like word processing, spreadsheets, database applications, internet access, and program development.
Let's see the classification of computer. The classification of computer is done in three types: by type, by size, and by process. By type is again divided into three types, that is analog, digital, and hybrid. By size is divided into four types, that is micro, mini, mainframe, and super. By purpose is again divided into two types, general purpose and special purpose. Let's see what's an analog computer. A computer that works with natural phenomena and physical value like earthquake measurements, speed of the wind, weight of the light, etc. is known as analog computer. It is especially used in scientific work, in medical and in industrious field. These are special purpose computers. It is measured physical value such as temperature or a pressure that falls along a continuous scale in the temperature or a pressure. Let's look into some features of analog computer. It is special to the particular task, so we cannot perform multiple applications. It is a continuous data and gives continuous outputs. It is a real time and no storage capacity. It gives in the form of graph, signals, and tables. Now let's look into some examples of analog computer that are being constructed and partially used. B29 super frozen central fire control system and E6B flight computer, Kerastron predictor, Lenendro Rossi Vicudro analog calculating machine based on Fuzzy Sans Fin, Libroscope, aircraft weights, and balance computer. Now let's discuss some advantages and disadvantages of analog computer. Coming to advantages, adventurous point of analog device is that they show the simple or a graphical way within a short time. Real-time transformation in a digital computer requires complex programming and graphical programs, but in analog computer it is quite opposite. Coming to disadvantages, less accuracy and lack of versatility are the significance of detriments of analog computer. As accuracy of analog computer is limited, it has to be dependent on the number of factors such as spread across the circuit parameters, incorrect assemblies, wiring problems, etc. External factors like magnitude field, change in ambient temperature and pressure and voltage. Now we'll look into digital computer. What is a digital computer? Digital computer operates directly on a decimal digit that represents either discrete data or a symbols. It converts the data into digits and then all operations are done on these digits extremely fast rate. Digital computer, basically known as have to count the digits. Computers are used for the business and scientific applications are digital computers. What is the working principle of digital computer? Digital computer works in 4 steps. Read the input, saves the input to the memory, processing the data, and provides the output. This is how the digital computer processes. Now let's look into some features of digital computer. It works on the discontinuous or a discrete data. It is applicable for the general purpose, so this is very versatile for the application. It is based on the digits 0 or 1. It is faster. It has storage session also. It is highly accurate and reliable than the analog system. Coming to the examples of digital computer that have been created or partially used are personal computers like desktops, laptops, smartphones and tablets, calculators, digital weighting machines, accounting machines, digital clock and ATM. What are the uses of digital computer? Digital computer are used in scientific research, technical applications and control systems. How science researchers use digital computer. Digital devices are used to solve mathematical calculations, numerical counts, etc. How digital computer is used in technical applications. These applications where digital tools facilitate engineering designs, drawing plans, commercial product designs, etc. And how it is used in control system. It consists of remote control mechanism designed for the private and industrial homes such as electronic appliances, tuning lights, turning on and off, distorting the refrigerator, regulating the heat or air conditioning, starting the coffee maker, etc. Now we'll look into some advantages and disadvantages of digital computer. Coming to advantages, it has made possible many industries, scientific commercial advances that would have been unattained otherwise. Information or data can be easily stored in digital computer systems as compared to analog ones. Many additional features and units can be added to the digital systems more efficiently. If we talk about the result, then the digital computer provides more accurate result than the analog computers, but analog computers are much faster than digital computers. Other merits of digital computers are more reliable, flexible, versatility, compatibility, less expensive, and easy to manipulate. Coming to disadvantages of digital computer, digital system consumes more energy than the analog circuits to accomplish the task, thus producing more heat. Digital circuits are often fragile. If a single piece of digital data is missed or lost or interrupted, the meaning of the large blocks of the related data can be completely changed. Digital computer manipulates discrete elements of information by using machine language, that is binary code. Now let's look into hybrid computer. Actually, what is a hybrid computer? Hybrid computer is a combined complex of several electronic computer units built using the different characterizations, quantities, analog and digital features are united by a single control system. The purpose of designing hybrid computer is to provide functions and features that can be found on both analog and digital devices combined modularly, that is hybrid system. Aim to create a work unit that offers the best of both of the computers. Hybrid computers are extremely fast when compared driving equations, even when those calculations are incredibly complex. Now let's look into some features of hybrid computer. High accuracy and most acceptable speed. The varieties of possibilities, management, processing and programming simultaneously inherent to the digital systems. Direct interaction with the monitored and controlled equipment inherent in the analog system. Lack of crucial nodes, additional transformation for the physical quantities in a hybrid computer which restricts the temporary delays and errors in sampling. relatively a small number of simple elements, realizing complex functionals, dependencies, inheritance, the analog system. Now, let's look into some examples of hybrid computer that have been used or constructed partially. In hospital intensive care units, analog devices may measure a patient heart function, the temperature, etc. These measures may be converted into a number and supplied to the digital devices. Other areas are guided in missile systems, new aircraft designs, etc. Now we'll see some uses of hybrid computer. Modeling a real-time automatic system control containing both features of analog and digital devices. It is used in ICU, intensive care units, for the hospitals, applied in sectors like ship, defense sector, airline sector, and in radar systems as well. They plays a role in real-time process comparing the high-frequency components, variables, and varieties in vast extent of frequency ranges. Plants like cement factories and gas pump stations. It is also used in biological system modeling. Digital machines like ultrasound machines, CT scan machines, and ATMs, statistical modelings are used. Now, we'll discuss some advantages and disadvantages of hybrid computer. Coming to advantages, by creating this type of integrated computer, both analog and digital computer benefits are readily available. Hybrid computers are extremely fast when controlling equations, even calculations are very complex. This advantage is made possible by every presence of analog components incorporations into a design of equipment. Although hybrid computers handle equations as quickly as analog computers, the digital computer component helps to eliminate one of these significant disadvantages of the pure analog devices. Accuracy of analog computer is limited, while digital computer accuracy is much higher. By incorporating components that allows a digital computer to go behind these 3 to 4 digits of perceptions, common is analog equipment. Hybrid computing allows equations to proceed much faster. In other words, hybrid computing delivers both speed and accuracy, eliminating the need to be content with one advantage or the other. Coming to disadvantages, hybrid computers are used only for performing specific tasks. Hybrid computers are a bit expensive. Hardware of these components is complicated because these computers have to convert digital signals into analog signals and analog signals into digital signals. To run these computers, it is necessary to have a complete knowledge of their software. Now, coming to our next topic, we are going to discuss about the classification of computer based on its purpose. Purpose-wise, computer can be classified into 2 types, that is, general purpose and special purpose. Now, let's see what is a general purpose. These computers can store different programmings and can thus be used in countless applications. A general purpose computer can perform many kinds of jobs with equal efficiency, simple by changing the application program stored in the main memory. Personal computers, including desktops, notebooks, smartphones, and tablets, are some examples of general purpose computer. The term is used to differentiate general purpose computer from other types of computers that are specialized embedded computers used in the intelligence systems. Coming to other things, the general purpose computers can be accessed through the internet, browse the World Wide Web, use word processing software, plays games, communicate via emails and social media, and design and build web pages, store and retrieve data, play video games and music. Let's look into some applications of general purpose computer. Each of these task is called as an application. Any computer can have many applications, such as those listed is a general purpose computer. Apart from desktop computers, laptops, the following devices are general purpose computers. Tablets like desktop computers, they can run a variety of applications. Today, smartphones can also run a variety of applications. Game consoles as well as games, modern consoles also enable the users to watch videos, play music and browse the internet. Media systems in car allows the users to navigate, listen to music and connect to the smartphones. What are the hardwares and softwares in the general purpose computer? General purpose computer consists of hardware and software. Hardware is a physical component of a computer, such as central processing unit, hard disk and monitor, keyboard, mouse. Software is a program that runs on the computer. Now let's see the general purpose computer's model. A general purpose computer allows the same basic model diagram initially to flow the data within a desktop computer. Data is an input, processed, then either output or sent to the secondary storage. It is held in the main memory while it is being processed. This is how the general purpose computers process. The input is passed through the input devices and it is processed through the processor, that is central processing unit, and it is stored in the secondary memory, or it provides output to the users. Now we'll see what is a special purpose computer. Special purpose computer is one of that is designed to perform only one specific task. The program or instructions set permanently stored in such a machine. It does its single task very quickly and it cannot be used for any other purposes. These computers are often used to perform specific functions such as controlling and manufacturing processes or directing communications. There are various classes of computer systems based upon the computational speed, usage and hardware. The following are some of the special purpose systems according to the special applications they uses. Real-time embedded system and multimedia system, handheld and portable system. What is a real-time embedded system and a multimedia system? Embedded systems are small computers having a limited set of hardware, like a small processor capable of processing a limited set of instructions, often called as an application-specific integrated circuit. A small RAM and output or input devices. These systems usually used to specific tasks. Examples are microwave ovens, robot and manufacturing units, latest automotive engines, etc. Few examples are homeline appliances, controllers, weapon controllers, and boiler temperature controllers. What is a handheld and portable systems? Multimedia refers to the data of multiple types that includes audio and video, including conventional data like text files, word processor, documents, spreadsheets, etc. It requires that the audio and the video data must be processed based upon certain time restrictions. This is called as streaming. It is usually 30 frames per second or for a video file. Applications such as video conferencing, movies and clips, downloads over internet, MP3, DVD and VCD playings and recordings are examples of various multimedia applications. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.